Hey, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Pence. I'm a double board certified physician that specializes in the spine, pain management, and injury, and I work here at CommonSpirit Health. One of the reasons I chose my specialties, I love being able to use my hands to do procedures and surgeries and promote healing that way. It's really rewarding to go and do something like that and then have someone come back and tell me, I haven't felt that good in 15 years, or I was so glad I was able to go and play golf. So it's nice to be able to treat someone that way and give them back their quality of life. So I really love working at CommonSpirit, and I think what really sets them apart is their culture. So, really good vibes, really good culture with the staff. I think we take really good care of patients. I love how heavily they invest in their people and also in their facilities. I have some of the nicest equipment in the operating room and the procedure suite. So, really good technology so that we can deliver a high level of care. So if I had to describe my approach to patient care, I'd say it's something that we do together, right? We get together and we figure out what's going on, what's affecting your quality of life, and we come up with different options. And then together we decide which of those treatment options we're going to pursue. So when we get together, I think you can just expect to have a good visit where we just kind of have a conversation. We're equals. We're going to talk about what's going on. We're going to talk about the things you've tried. We're going to come up with a couple different options for you. And then together, we're going to decide what's the best thing to get you back your quality of life. So in our community, I love being in the mountains. So in the summer, camping, hiking, and then in the winter, skiing and snowboarding, especially if it's with family and friends.